Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Sense with Samuel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can turn off internet connection for WhatsApp only without disconnecting your entire phone from internet. This is very useful if you want to avoid distractions, save mobile data, stop WhatsApp messages and calls temporarily, or you want to focus on work while still browsing the internet on other apps. I'm going to guide you step by step on Android and iPhone using safe and simple method that actually work. Make sure you watch to the end and don't miss any important settings. Open your WhatsApp and click on the settings icon. Scroll down, click on storage and data. Click on Prosy and then type in 1.1.1.1 in 4 places. Then click OK. Whenever you send message, you'll be seeing only one tick, meaning that the message is not going. If you want to deactivate it, just turn it off anytime you want. And that is how you can turn off internet access for WhatsApp only without affecting other apps on your phone. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, subscribe to Tech Sense with Samuel for more smart and tech tips that make your digital life easier and more productive. Also, drop a comment below if this method works for your device or if you want a tutorial on another app. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.